How to upload an image in Notion. This is one of the easiest ways to make your pages look cleaner and more visual. Whether you are building notes, project board, or a gallery, adding images helps everything stand out and make your workspace easier to understand. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. And firstly, you just have to type slash and then image, and you have a couple of options. If you choose the first one, you can upload your own image from your computer, or if you want to generate images with the AI, you can also do that as well. So you're just going to type the prompt and the Notion AI will generate the image. So firstly, I'm going to choose the first one and now click on upload image. So let's say I'm going to upload those mountains. I'm going to click on open, and this is going to open the image, as you can see. And now if you want to resize it, you just have to drag it through those sidebars. And like this, you just want to hold your left mouse button and drag it to side. And this is going to make the image larger or smaller. Now, if you want to add, let's say, more images or images side by side, I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So I'm going to again type image. I'm gonna upload, let's say, this elephant. And now let's say I want to add those two images next to each other. So what you can do, I'm gonna quickly resize it to make it same size. And now if I click on those six dots next to the image, and I'm gonna just drag it like this till you see this blue vertical line. I'm gonna unpress, and this is going to make the images next to each other. But you can see there is a huge gap. So we can fill it by making the images larger, like this, and like this, right? Or also we can create AI images. So I'm gonna simply type again image, and we can click on AI image. And here where it says describe your idea. So I want to generate a clean labeled diagram with simple shapes, clear arrows, and minimal text. So I'm gonna press enter. And now we can wait for the Notion to create this image. And you can see this is our diagram image, and we can also drag it as we want. And if you want to put it, let's say, in the middle of those three images, we can simply drag it by those six dots. I'm gonna put it like here in the middle. And also I forgot to show you that you can edit your images inside Notion. So let's say I'm gonna hover my mouse on this elephant, and you will see this small menu where firstly you can add comment to the specific image. So I'm gonna type elephant, and you can also add captions for the image, and so it's going to be under like this. You can also crop the image if you want to make it like smaller. So we can only crop this elephant like this. Now I'm going to click on save, and it should update automatically. Yes, you just have to wait a second. You also have some expand option. You can download it, and if you click on this three dots more menu, you have many different options. So you can, let's say, add a link to image. You can make it full screen. You can open in browser. You can duplicate it. So let's say I'm going to click on duplicate, and it's going to create the same image. As you can see, you can also delete it if you click on delete, but I think you can delete it by a shortcut. So I'm going to press Command and delete. If you're on Windows, you just have to press Ctrl plus delete or just delete button, or you can right click on it and delete it. And this was a quick video how you can upload image in Notion, how you can really quickly edit it, how you can resize it. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.